I am Dr. Saleem, Managing Director of OneHealth Hospitals. I am very happy to reach you through this video. As all of you know, the time is very essential for all medical or surgical emergencies. See, actually, I would like to highlight certain important aspect of our OneHealth Hospital. First is location, just opposite our new Kilambakam bus terminus and in the GST road. All of the patients who comes from Viluppuram to Chengalpattu and all these surroundings, they have to reach Chennai main through this location only. But to reach beyond this location, it takes lot of time for all these traffic jam and delay. This delay will cost many lives because of emergencies in cardiac trauma. We have equipped with cardiothoracic surgery, we have equipped with cath lab, we are equipped with CT scan, and all 24/7 round the clock we have emergency physician and general medicine physician, surgeons, neurologist, neurosurgeon and cardiologist, cardiothoracic surgeon and especially orthopedic surgeon. These people will be giving the highest standard of treatment wherever compared to wherever you get it. So, I highlight our hospital's important aspects through this video. Thank you very much.
OneHealth Super Speciality Hospital, GST Road, Vandalur, located at opposite to New Kilambakam Bus Terminal. For appointment 094450 25558.